To meet the needs of the organization and its employees, companies implement one or more of the approaches to career management that we will learn about in this video. Keep in mind that larger organizations may use different approaches with different groups of employees. To manage these different types of careers, organizations might use one or more of these four approaches. Companies that use the structured approach develop employees according to clearly defined career paths. This option gives organizations the most control over the career management process and gives them a depth of skills through primarily vertical mobility. It also provides the most stability for succession planning, which we'll learn about later in this module. Companies that use the flexible approach also follow clearly defined career paths, but they also give employees opportunities to move horizontally through job rotation, for instance, in order to develop a breadth of skills. Not only do employees develop a wide variety of skills, but they also have the opportunity to explore different career options. From the individual's perspective, the open approach is actually the most flexible of all four approaches. Following this approach, companies allow employees to make their own career plans and work towards those career plans while the organization provides the resources. So the open approach is very flexible for both the employee and the organization. The employee drives the process, the organization provides the resources for them to reach their goals. But there are no clearly defined career paths. Companies that use the fourth option, the transitory approach, use the least amount of resources. They allow their employees to choose their own career paths, to choose the activities that they will engage in to reach their development goals, and don't get involved in the process. Some of these organizations might provide tuition reimbursement. They support development, but they do it in a more hands-off way. They don't direct the process, they don't provide development opportunities within the organization. Everything is done outside of the organization on the employee's time. The transitory approach might be useful for non-traditional employees, for example. The important thing to remember is that each one of these approaches allows us to address the needs of a different group of people. By taking all four approaches with different groups, we can create a more inclusive learning environment where everyone feels like there is some type of development opportunity available to them.